ولقد بعثنا في كل أمة رسولا أن اعبدوا الله واجتنبوا الطاغوت فمنهم من هدى الله ومنهم من حقت عليه الضلالة فسيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين.
And we certainly sent unto every nation a messenger, saying, Worship Allah and avoid false deities. And among them were those whom Allah guided, and among them were those upon whom error was decreed. So proceed through the earth, and observe how was the end of the deniers.